All right, welcome back everybody to the R44's YouTube channel. Today it is side skirt time. It's the edition 1 side skirt for the G87 M2. So this is a product that's made and manufactured by MHC here in the UK actually, and backed with a 3-year warranty and some amazing quality for sure. So having a little look at it, it's a beautiful side skirt. It's very simple to install. I've just opened up the install kit, sorry. You've got 16 screws, 8 screws per side. You've got a 2mm drill bit, we'll explain why later. And they've nicely given us a PZ2 drill, I guess, screw bit that fits in perfectly. So that way, if you've not got the wrong one and you're stripping it, you're not gonna have any problems. Everything's supplied in the box, which is great. So it's as easy as that. The only other thing you'll need is some panel white to remove any ceramic and debris underneath the car. A relatively clean microfiber. I use a combi drill. You will need one to use the drill. It's quite hard to do by hand if you tried. And I use an impact driver with an attachment there. Oh, sorry, wrong attachment. And in there like that. So that's that. We're gonna put that all together. We're not gonna do any cuts here. We're gonna show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to install this side skirt to your car. And I would recommend having a friend. So first off, let's get it clean. So we're just going to use the panel wipe. This will remove any ceramic coating, any debris underneath the car, because there is a line of tape that is used on the side skirt. So again, you go through, you get underneath, and the last little bit. So thankfully we're on a ramp, but this is very easy on a set of axle stands. So easy as that. That's now done. We're going to get the side skirt. The first step is removing just an edge here. That's all we recommend. This will help with install as well as everything in between. So just like that, then grab your buddy, get him to go at the back of the car, you go at the front. And we're here. Let's get everything else ready in the meantime. So we've got the combi drill, get the drill bit in. That's nice. The reason we use this, so if you use a screw, you're going to screw through the plastic. You're going to pull the plastic out and you're going to make a build up of plastic between the side seal and the side skirt, which then potentially you might have not the best fitment. So MHC have provided this to drill the plastic out. So all you're doing is threading in the screw. These are stainless steel 13mm screws spec'd specifically for this car to make sure it doesn't get close to any of the chassis and there's no rusting because it's stainless steel. So let's go. So first thing first, we're going to put it up to the front of the car. There's a guideline at the back, so this line here should meet with the back of the original side seal, as well as you've got a tape line, which it's clear tape, but it's very close to the front. The reason for this is if you jump out your car and push down on the side seal, you want it to be nice and strong. So you got that. Now you'll shout to your buddy and say, you know, it should be near on flush. So I'm going to bring it forward just a little bit. Odds is going to say, how's that? Just make sure if there is slightly out, just try and remember to push the middle in. Yeah, bang on, perfect. So there you go. Make sure it's lined up at the back. Get your drill bit just a little bit forward, Odds, for me. That's pretty bang on. Drill bit, get underneath and drill out the center of the hole. You can see how much plastic kind of comes out. You can also peel back just a little bit of tape, adhere it to the body line, grab your first 13mm screw, and that's done. So now I'm going to bounce all the way to the other side of the car, because I always do the front, the back, and then one in the center. That way your buddy can grab a beer and carry on with his day, and you can get installing. So line the back up, get underneath, drill a hole. You can see it fits absolutely perfect there. So now we'll do one more in the center, and then we'll look to pull off the tape. So you get in the center, again, use your reference point of here with a trim line in the side skirt, pull it up tight. Again, drill out the center. Eldridge, do you mind passing me a 13 in the impact? You do that, I'll just do one in the middle, it doesn't really matter. I would just try and do it as most, probably this one would have been better. You don't want to wrench it down too tight, maybe leave it just a little bit loose. just like that. And now we'll get out and we're gonna remove the tape. This way you haven't sandwiched the tape too much. But if you remove all the tape, you're asking yourself for problems, and trust me, try it and then drop me a line in the comments and see how you get on. You can start pushing them up, pull that. Just like so. You can see it's already a little bit tight where we obviously put that screw in. Just gonna pull that. Beautiful. Now, use the back of your hand, line up with that trim line, push up. This tape that MHC uses is UK manufactured tape. It's extremely high adhesive, which is great for safety. So you put it all on and then simply get underneath the car, drill everything out at once, and then go through with your 13 mils and wrap it up. I'm gonna do that now while on camera, no cuts. Just make sure you take any of the plastic off. There's one more here, so what we'll have to do is get on a jack and jack it up slightly just due to how the ramp is here at R44. Get a couple screws, get underneath, tighten those up. Make sure you don't over tighten them because you don't want to just strip it and then it's pretty much useless. And there you have it, all the screws have been installed. And yeah, it's crazy how good this car looks. So yeah, let me drop this car down, let me pull it out and show you how great it looks.